My YouTube channel blew up this year just by posting on trends. Some of the trending topic on my YouTube channel got over 36k views, 21k views, and many more. And they also get me over 1k subscribers. And at the same time, they help me to increase my watch time. Now, this is to tell you how important it is to post on trends. But a lot of you have also told me, okay, Tovia, I would love to post on trending topics, but where can I find this trending topic? So this is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys on this video. If you want to know where you can find your own trending topic on your niche, make sure you watch this video to the very end. Hey Tovians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again with another exciting video. If you are new here, you are welcome to this amazing family. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do that right now. Turn on your post notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video. So before I get into this video, I just want to say, do you guys like my new hair? If you do, please let me know, because I actually made this hair by myself. Yeah, so if you do like the hair, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see a tutorial on how I made this wonderful and beautiful hair, do let me know, because I could share a tutorial on that. Anyways, my today's shout out goes to the above people. Hey Tovians, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Guys, please go support them back. Please go subscribe to their YouTube channel. Thank you all. If you would like to get a shout from me, all you need to do is to be one of the first 5 people to comment on this video right now, and then you get a shout from me on my next video. So guys, on today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys how I have been using TubeBuddy to find trending topics. So if you guys have been with me for the past years, you will discover that my YouTube channel grew just this year since I started posting on trend and evergreen topics. Now this is to tell you guys how trend could actually change your YouTube channel. So for anyone new to TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy is a Chrome extension used to optimize your videos, to get you more views, to make your videos rank in search. So by using TubeBuddy, you can be able to find the right tags and the right way to optimize your videos, so you can get more views, and so your videos can be found on search, and so that YouTube can also help you recommend your videos. So that is what TubeBuddy has been doing for me since I have been using this extension on my YouTube channel. So guys, to begin, you want to install TubeBuddy. For anyone who doesn't have TubeBuddy yet, so I have a link below, and I also leave it on the screen, that you can use to download TubeBuddy. So just to make sure, this video was not sponsored by TubeBuddy. This is just me sharing my tips with you guys on how I have been able to find trending topics that help me grow my YouTube channel. And by using my link, I am paid a portion of the profit, but you don't get to pay any extra money or any extra charges that you would not normally pay for TubeBuddy. To upgrade your TubeBuddy, you will not pay any extra money. I only just get a percentage of the profits, which can help me grow my YouTube channel. Anyways guys, so I'm just going to move to my desktop computer right now to share with you guys how you could install TubeBuddy. So guys, once you've clicked on the link below, it's going to take you to this page. You want to click on install free now. So guys, after you've clicked on the install now, you're going to get a new page where it is going to ask you to grant it access. So I'm just going to post that page on the front. Feel free to grant it access, because TubeBuddy is 100% certified by YouTube. So once you successfully install TubeBuddy on your Chrome, the next thing you want to do is to move over to the TubeBuddy on our YouTube channel to find our trending topics. So guys, once you've installed, you want to go to your YouTube tab, and then you should now have this TubeBuddy drop down menu. Then you want to click on it. So once you've clicked on it, you're going to come down to Keyword Explorer. Now once you've clicked on Keyword Explorer, now the first way you're going to know what is trending in your location is by using this tab here. It says what is trending. So it says United Kingdom, because I am in the UK, so this is what is currently trending right now in the UK. So this is one way I have been using to identify trending topics, what people are searching for in the UK, what people are all searching for right in the UK. Now you could see it says eat out to help out. It says 50,000 plus searches. That means right now there is about 50,000 people searching for this particular topic here in the UK. Now because I am in the UK, this is telling me here in the UK. But if you don't live in the UK, you want to change the location, you just want to click on it, and then let me just say I am going to choose, let me say Italy. So I'm just going to choose Italy. So once you click on it, you see that the searches have all changed. So these are what people are searching for right now in Italy, and there's even more. You can go down to see more and more. So this is what people are currently searching for. Let me just say for the first one here, it says 2 million plus searches. That means about 2 million plus people are searching for this right now. So this is what is currently trending now in Italy. So if you're in Italy, you want to make any topic, this is a whole lot of trending topic that you can do. So I'm just going to change my location back to United Kingdom. So you see, we are back to United Kingdom, and this is what people are searching up right now in the UK. This is what people are searching. There's a lot here. There's even the football, Newcastle versus Liverpool. A lot of people are searching this up right now. So this is one way I have been able to identify trending topic on TubeBuddy. So let's say you want to go deeper into this topic. You want to see what is going on. So you want to click on the word explore. So once you've clicked on explore, you are going to see more details on this topic. You're going to see what people are searching on this topic. So I have just explored it art to app art. You can see it is good in general. So if anybody wants to make a topic, if anybody wants to make anything about this topic, about this title, it is good for every channel. It has 41% over 100. That means it is good. You will get a good amount of views if you should make this. And these are other videos on this topic, on this title that people are making, people have made on it. So if you want to just get a video idea, so this is one place you can go to. This is different video ideas on that topic, on this particular it art to app art. So this is basically it. You can go weighted if you have the paid version of TubeBuddy, which is best, guys. So I will advise you, if you're able to afford it, get the paid version. So you can click on weighted. By weighted, so it just says for my YouTube channel, this is very good for me. If I should make a video on this, it is going to be good for my YouTube channel. But I'm going to go back to unweighted, so I will just show you guys in general. So this is basically it. This is one way I've been using to search for trending topics through TubeBuddy. So I'm just going to go back to trending. So like I said, you can explore any of this topic to know more about it. Okay, now another method that I've used to explore trending topic is by using the search button in TubeBuddy, which is the keyword explorer, the keyword part. So I'm just going to search up a topic on my head. Let's say you have any topic on your head and you don't know if people are searching for this topic, or if this topic is going to get you any amount of views. So the first thing you want to do is just search it up. So I'm just going to go with the word iPhone. So by going with iPhone, you can see that TubeBuddy has given me so many options of what people are searching when it comes to iPhone. So so you can make a topic, you can make videos on these searches. There are so many, but I'm just going to go with iPhone 12 and see what is going on with iPhone 12 right now. So you want to just explore it. So once I've explored it, actually say poor in general, that so because there's so many searches on this. So guys, if you want to know more about this page you're just seeing right now to understand all of this score analysis, I could make a separate video on this to kind of just explain all of this for you guys. But right now, based on this video, because I'm just trying to show you guys how I find trending topics, so that's what I'm just going to be doing on this particular video. So you can see that people are searching for this. Say the search volume, it is in the green part, which means a lot of people are searching for this right now. Like the search is really high and the competition is really high, so that's why it says poor, because it is going to be hard for me to rank in this and stuff like that. So to know more about this, to go into details about this iPhone 12, if you can make your video on it, you want to click on the part that says historical. So once you've clicked on historical, it is going to give you a percentage range of how this has been trending in the past months and weeks. So you can see at the beginning when the iPhone 12 came up, not a lot of people were searching for it. Then in the month of November, the search became really high and then it went down, and then right now you can see that the search is going high again. That means this is gonna go trending. That means anybody who make a topic or anybody who's making a video on this topic is going to make it. their video is going to start trending, because you can see it is going high. The trend is about to go high. The trend is just, it's lifting up now. So if you should make a video on iPhone 12, a lot of people are going to watch it because it is highly being searched for. So that is one thing. So you can go for other topics and just go for different titles to know more about videos, and then you will see everything you want to see about that videos. Yeah. So that is how I use TubeBuddy to find my trending topics. Now, another method that you could use to find trending topics is by using the YouTube app itself. So I'm just going to share my computer screen with you guys again to show you how you could use it to find your trending topics. But just remember, you want to be in incarnation mode, so this can perfectly work for you. So guys, another method that I use a lot for searching our trending topic is through YouTube itself. You could do this either on the YouTube app, or you could do this in the desktop version of your YouTube. So just make sure that you are in incarnation. You can see over there incarnation. What this means is I don't have any previous searches. Whatever this is going to be given to me is genuine, not based on what I've searched before, but all genuine. So let's just say want to search up a topic which is on how to, and then we're looking to make an how to video. So you want to just type in how. So you could see different ideas already come up. I'm just going to put it to. So guys, you can see the first title to come up there is how to draw, which simply means that there's a lot of people, tons of people searching on how to draw on YouTube. And then other topics that people are searching on based on how to is how to cut their own hair, how to cut a man's hair, how to do this, and how to make a face mask. Now these are highly searched topics, titles that people are looking for. These are videos. You could explore this more, you could go through this more just to search on topics. So let me just say how to, let me draw. So you see, after how to, other things that people are searching on how to draw is how to draw a girl, how to draw a unicorn, how to draw a rose. So these are topics that people are searching for. So let me not pull how to draw now. Let's say how to cook. So sorry. So how to cook, you can see how to cook rice, how to cook dal, how to cook steak. So these are things that people are searching for. These are things you could make your videos on, because these are highly searched topics. Now if you want to go more on this, if you want to explore this more, what you need to do is to take it to your keyword explorer on your TubeBuddy. Then you can explore this more, you could learn more about it and other things you could do, and how much people are searching for this per month, per weeks, and many more. So guys, yeah, those are ways I have been able to search up trendy topics. That was how I was able to make a lot of trendy topics. So when I made my don't rush, so I just search up don't rush, so you could definitely see things that came up. So don't rush challenge, that was the first thing that even came up. That's to tell you that a lot of people were searching for this. Now this was one of the videos that blew me up on YouTube. So you can see that don't rush challenge, men, reaction, song, funny, taunter. So these are things that people are searching for when it comes to different. So you could just explore it more and make sure you are in a connection. That's how you could get the perfect and the actual real result. So yeah, that is another way I've been able to search up trending topic using YouTube, and then I could take this up to my TubeBuddy and then explore it more. So guys, yeah, if you want to know how you could exploit different things more, different titles more on your TubeBuddy to use it for your tags, please let me know on the comment section and I will definitely get into that. So yeah guys, that is how I have been able to search up trending topics. So guys, that is how I use TubeBuddy to find my trending topics. So I also have other sources which I use to find trending topics, and that will be another video, but this is what I have been using a lot to find trending topics. So just make sure you use this and make sure you go post that trending topic on your YouTube channel and grow your YouTube channel to get more views and more subscribers. Welcome back guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you've not yet subscribed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Take good care of yourself. I love you. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.